Hey guys, it's Allison from Allison's World, and today I'm going to be doing homemade slimes. I have a bucket, and then, sorry about that, and then versus store-bought slimes. And then, yeah, so let's get on to the video. So, let's start with homemade slime, store-bought slimes first. So I got this one actually tonight. That's why I'm doing this video. So I went to Rock and Jump, and my friend, this is in the goodie bag. And it's really nice. And it actually kind of pokes. It's really hard to tell, but and I really like the color, except for the fact that it's really hard to get back in. And it doesn't really stretch or anything, but it's actually like a really nice clear slime. If you can get it, it's a clear, glittery, like water jiggly slime. So yeah, the easiest way is to just take little globs. I have to hurry this up because I have a whole video and I don't have enough time storage. So the next one is this one. Really nice. I added some glitter to it, and it kind of stretches. It's actually like really nice. It's kind of like a dough. It doesn't really poke unless you like dig a hole in it. But the smell is pretty nice too. And this is Neon Squishy like slime, and it actually says it's super stretchy, but it's stretchy for a store-bought slime, but not stretchy. And then I'm just gonna count this as a store-bought slime because there's a bunch of store-bought. There's a bunch of store-bought. There's a bunch of this in it, and then it's mixed with some clear Valentine's Day slime. So it used to actually feel really cool. I'm sorry if you hear ticking noise or any other noises. There's just a clock. And it doesn't poke anymore. It doesn't stretch anymore. The first day I got it, it was like a butter slime. The first day I did it, it was like a butter slime, but it's not really good anymore. So that's why I'm counting it as a store-bought slime. Okay, so the next one I have is this one that I made, and then I made another one, then we switched. So I'm going to save this one. Actually, I might not do this one because it takes a long time to get out and get back in. So why am I even talking to you about it? Okay, so then this one, same thing with that, except this one's really nice. So we, one day my neighbors and I were, shout out to Magali. One day Magali, Yurtzi, and I, really, were, no, I can't even see. We're making slime, because I got this big jug of slime and glue. And and hers wasn't turning out very well, but I thought since you can't really see the glitter in it anymore, but it reminded me of Galaxy at that point. And then so I had a really nice teal one, so then we switched that, but this was a little bigger. And this is like a really nice texture. So I'm not mad. I'm not like, I like the decision I chose. And it really stretches really well. The only thing that's a downside about this is that the color sticks to your hands if you play with it too much. But it's really poppy and really stretchy and really pokey. So I like this one a lot. So, and this is a fluffy glitter slime. Okay, the next one, I recently made this. This is my most recent slime. This is Goofy String Slime, inspired by Karina Garcia, the Queen of Slimes. So it's Goofy String. It has a really different texture. So I'm not gonna say it's different. It's not like a bad different. It's a really good different. But like, there's some hard things in it that you can't really fix. But yeah. So funny story. So I was pretending to make a video. Yeah, I do that. And what am I saying? Oh yes. And so I was doing a challenge. So I made one half of this slime with silly string in it before I activate it, and then this part kind of I made, and then I activate it, and then I have the Goofy string, and then I just combine them so I could contain them in one container. But it's a really nice slime. So yeah. I'm sure you enjoy these slimes. Okay, the next one I have made a while ago. The other half of it dried out, and that was the good half. So this is a foam slime, and it is centered like, I forgot. I don't know where the scent bottle is, but yeah. So yeah, it's a really nice slime. It's a little sticky, but really nice. I like it a lot, and it was one of my first slimes. Kind of. It was one of my first slimes that I didn't like follow instructions. Okay, the next one I have, I actually bought from a shop, a Mercari slime shop, and I have 40 ounces of this, but I lost that, and a bunch of it is around my house, and half of it got stuck in my mom's hair, so then she had to take a shower in the middle of the night. But yeah, it's really clear and really nice. Kind of pokes, doesn't poke that much. Really stretchy though. And then there are some sparkles in it, some glitter. There is some glitter in it. The next one I have is this light purple slime, and it's really nice. And a lotion slime, and yeah. Read the sign up there. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I made a sign and they aren't paying attention to my sign. Okay? And that's what I have to say. So this stuff is really sticky, but it's still a good slime. Like if it was activated, it's really nice. And the texture is great. Okay, next one I have here is another one of my slime, and this one is actually on the market on Mercari. No more is included though, so I have to be very careful with this one because I can't get it stuck in anything because it's being so dangerous. This is in my camera. Why is that not in the middle of view? So yeah, it's a really nice time. The only thing I don't like is that it's so small. So that's that one. And then the next one I have, the last one I have is this one. Actually, it's not the last one. I'll save this one for the finale. But, so this one is really nice. I forgot what. Oh, yes. So fun story about this one. This one is combined. This one has a little bit of this, and then also has some of this in it. This is what all of these three mixed is what this, it looks like this. So yeah. It's really stretchy. Not as stretchy as my other ones, but still stretchy. And is one ball in it. One ball. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's that one. And then this one, the very last one. I'm gonna put you guys here. Let's see. Can we do this? Can we do this? There we go. This is what it looks like. It's really hard to get out and back in. That's why I didn't really want to do this one. But anyway, I guess we're doing showing slimes. Then I guess we gotta show all our slimes. And this one is also the worst slime I have. Like, not the worst slime. It's like really good slime, except really bad. Because it really... Sorry about that. No, I'm just going to put you back here. Because it's just not working. It doesn't really poke. It doesn't have a strong poke that you would like in your slime. So bye guys. hope you enjoyed this video. All of these were mine, kind of. And yeah. My most recent store-bought slime is this one. And my most recent homemade slime is this one. Comment what other slime videos you want me to do. And we are doing a Q&R for my birthday. So, like on the 26th, I'm going to be posting a Q&R. So make sure to comment questions because I really want to know questions so we can do the Q&R. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the slime review, slime versus homemade slime versus store-bought slime, all that. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, comment those questions, and yeah. And make sure to hit the bell after you subscribe so you will be notified when I post. Because sometimes you get unsubscribed from things and it's like, these things, we want to be fun, we want to laugh, and make sure to join the, once you hit that bell, comment down below Alley Cat Crew, and for your questions, I want you to hashtag Alley Cat Crew. You can also do that on Musical.ly, Instagram. You can do that on Musical.ly and Instagram. I have Musical.ly. I don't really use Twitter. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and peace out. Bye.